In this video, I am going to teach you how to manifest career growth, abundance, business growth, everything that you need to know to learn how to grow and expand in your professional life. Be it a new job, promotion, or a hike, or even if you're doing business and you want more clients, you want more contracts, more opportunity, everything will be taught to you in detail, step by step. So you'll have to watch this till the end if you actually want to learn it and want to see the results quickly, in no time. Even overnight results are possible. Trust me. Hi, my name is Nidhi, also known as The Tarot Girl. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. This channel will really help you get all the updates about your life, manifestation, tarot, spiritual practices, everything. I also do personal readings, tarot sessions, and manifestation courses personalized for you. The link is in the description below, or you can WhatsApp me for any query. Let's begin. So, if you're manifesting success, promotion, business growth, new job, hike in the current job, or even new business opportunities, this will really help you. Step by step, I'm going to tell you everything now. What you need to do is, you need to be very clear. First thing is, take one piece of paper, a blank page, a ruled page, doesn't matter, just a normal piece of paper. Take that. What you need to do is, you will have to first be very clear with what your desire and intention is. So I'll give you some examples. So if you're into job, you might want some promotion in your existing company. You might want some salary hike in your existing company. Or you might also, maybe you're doing business and your intention is that you want more clients. You want new suppliers. You want, say, growth in the numbers in terms of sales, in terms of even followers, in terms of anything that you want to expand into. Whatever your desire is, be very clear at the first place with your desire. So, just to say, for example, your desire is to get a hike in your salary by 20%. Whatever your salary is, you want to get a hike of 20%, and you also are very clear of when do you want the hike to be. So if you want the hike to be increased by 20%, say by the end of this 1 month, or in 1 month, or by the end of this month, you're very clear with that. You know your intention, you know your desire, you believe in your desire that you're deserving enough to get that. That's when it's going to come on this piece of paper. So before writing it on this paper, what you're going to need is, you're going to need a glass jar, a normal jar. The visual of it is going to be on this video. You're going to need a glass bottle, a glass jar, a glass bowl, anything it can be, filled with water, normal water. It doesn't have to be necessarily drinking water, normal glass of water, but you need to make sure it's transparent. Basically, it's of glass is what I mean to say. Just have the water filled in the bowl, in the glass, or in the jar. After that, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar, normal sugar into it, refined sugar, normal sugar into it, in that bowl or in that glass. 1-2 spoon, whatever feels right to you. There's no rule to that, but basically it needs to be sugar water is what I mean to say. Once you've done that, you are going to hold that glass of bottle. This is the bottle I'm talking about. It can be anything, can be a jar, as I said, bowl, or a glass, whatever feels right to you. This is what you're going to hold in your hand. Now I've already added sugar, some sugar into it, and the sugar has completely mixed into this jar. So this is not just normal water, this is sugary water, and you're not supposed to drink that, so let me finish. You're going to fill this, have sugar in it, hold this in your hand this way. First thing is what you're going to do. Hold it in your hand, close your eyes. You're going to start talking to this water. You are going to make this normal water divine water, magical water, manifestation water. This technique is very powerful. So while you do that, completely trust me, trust this technique, and trust this divine water. You're going to talk to the water. you're going to say your full name to this divine water. So my name is Nidhi Shah. So I'm going to say, I, Nidhi Shah, my date of birth, and you're going to say that today, on this day, this date, this water is not normal water. I am sending in my positivity, my belief into you. This is now magical water. Say this to water. This is now magical water. The glass jar that I'm holding is the magical glass jar of manifestation of my dream desire. Imagine about your desire. So your desire was hike of 20%. So imagine that hike. Imagine that number. So whatever your current salary is, to whatever the 20% hiked salary is, imagine that in your head while speaking to the water is actually coming true by recharging this divine water. Imagine that. Sugar is there, water is there, you've imagined it, you've looked at the bottle, you've prayed, you've held this bottle, you've put in your intentions now. Now the next step that is there is, so just, if you have doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. So if you're looking for a new opportunity, then you're going to hold this water and imagine the glass of bottle, and you're going to imagine about the new opportunity. You're going to talk to the water, say your name, say your date of birth, say that this is magical water. You've sent all your positivity and divine energy and trust into this water, and this is magical water that is going to bring your dream job, dream promotion, dream business, dream clients into reality. One tip that I would want to give you is the more specific you are, the more helpful it is. So if your business includes international clients, if it includes wanting to expand in a particular city, wanting to change your job to a particular country, be that specific. If you have a company's name in your head, that I want a job in, say, this company, then say this to the water. Imagine the name of the company while talking about you, while telling your date of birth, while holding the bottle. Imagine that. Send this energy, send your positivity to this water. And the sugar water. Sugar water is filled with sweetness. So that's going to bring that sweetness into your life. How? Now the next step. This paper that you're taken, all you're going to do is write your full name into it. Your full name here. Stating hi. And your full name. Hi dear universe. Or hi dear magical water. Whatever feels right to you. You're going to write your full name here. My name is Nidhi Shah. So I'm going to write my full name here. I, Nidhi Shah. With date of birth. Whatever my date of birth is. You're going to write that. And then you're going to write below, in present tense, your dream has, it's just an information that this has come true. So I'm going to write it as 20% hike, the example that we've carried. I'm going to write my name first. Hi, dear universe, dear magical water. I, Nidhi Shah, with date of birth 29 September 1995, have achieved and received the promotional hike that I have desired, which is 20% higher than my current salary. And write the salary, write the hiked salary into it. That's it. Just one line is what you're going to write. Nothing else. So if you want a new job, if you want a job, a new company, you're just going to write your name, date of birth. I have finally received a new job with this role in this particular company or particular domain at this month, in this month, at the end of this month. Whatever your timeline is, you can write the timeline as well. If you want foreign clients, if you want new business, if you want somebody to help you in your business, somebody to put in money and expand your business, you want something in terms of your workplace, if you want some changes there, you can even write that. Just write that this has happened. This is the day, this is the month, this is the time period that this has happened, and your name and date of birth. That's it. Stating, hey dear universe and your magical water. That's all. Then you're going to fold this page into 3 parts. I mean, you're going to fold it 3 times. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. That's it. That's how I'm going to fold it. And I'm going to put this in the glass jar. I am going to put this intention, this dream, this manifestation belief that I have just written. Also, you can sign it up. So put your signature in the bottom, claiming that you actually have agreed to this. This is now a legal manifestation of yours. open the glass jar, and you're going to add in the sugar water, which you've already prayed, which is now magical water. So obviously handle it with care. You're just going to add this paper inside. So obviously take the paper size as much as it can fit in the jar. So I've strategically made the paper that size. And now just close it up. Just close the bottle. Now you're going to hold this bottle and you're going to say the magical prayer that I'm just going to chant. So say that along with me, or again come back to this video and watch once you make this jar, once you pray the water, once you add sugar, once you put the paper, again come back to this video and watch this so that it helps you and you don't make any mistakes. Hold this in your hand, start the prayer. The manifestation that I have desired of, which I know is coming true with every bit of this magical water, this divine water of mine, making it true into reality. I completely surrender myself, and this divine water is now showing its power. This magical water is now showing its power. Every bit of my desire that I've dreamt of. Imagine what you've dreamt of. 20% hike, new clients, whatever, right? One desire at a time. One desire at a time. Do not mix up so many desires together. One desire at a time, imagine that desire. So I can see the 20% hike in my bank account, or the check that has been given to me by my employer. And I'm actually seeing that. I'm actually imagining that every desire, anything that I've written on the paper that I've manifested is dissolved into reality by this divine water. The divine water has done its job. It is magical water. It is powerful water. It is what brings reality into life. That's it. That's what you're going to say in the prayer. So come back, watch this every time. Say this with me. Repeat this with me. Two, 3 times. Keep watching this and repeat this for 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Once you've done that, leave this for around 24 hours. The more you leave, the more better. So 10 hours, 12 hours is also fine, but one complete day, leave this as it is. Some part of the paper will get dissolved. If it's a small paper, it will completely get dissolved. Let this, everything that you've written, the ink with which you have written, no rule to the color of pen, preferably red or blue, obviously not black, red or blue pen, you're going to write it, sign it up the way that I've showed you, and you're going to just keep this near you. Try doing this in the morning so that while you sleep at night, this is around you, this is near your bedside, near your shelf. Keep this near you, keep this around you if possible, the whole day. If not possible, at least during the night, 7 hours, 8 hours, whatever you sleep, keep this near you. This will automatically send in your energies because you've charged it with your positivity. Your energies are already connected to this divine water. Everything that you've written inside, the sugary water is dissolving it. The magical water is bringing this into reality. The next day, after 24 hours finish, the first thing that you're going to do is take this water, again hold this water, say thank you. Thanking is very important in manifestation. You have to show up your gratitude. Just hold this, do this way, just say thank you, thank you. Thank you so much for dissolving every manifestation of mine and bringing it into reality. You are the best. The magical water has changed my life so quickly and so powerfully. Just say this much, say thank you for a couple of times. Take this complete water along with the left particles that are there. Pour this water in any tree near you, any plants, any tree. If you have plants at your home, just pour it there. If you don't have plants at home, just pour it anywhere in the garden, in your society, in your apartment. Just pour the complete water along with this chit, along with this letter that you've manifested, the information in the letter that you've written. Once you do that, once you finish that, once the jar is empty, just come back home, sit for a couple of minutes and just do one simple ritual. Imagine a triangle. Close your eyes. Imagine a triangle shape. The shape of a triangle. So basically just imagine a triangle in front of you while closing your eyes. Imagine there is on the top of the triangle, there is earth. You are able to see the earth there. So the picture of the earth is what you're going to imagine on the top of the triangle. In the right corner, you're going to imagine moon. And in the left corner, you're going to imagine sun. So this is the cycle of life that you're going to imagine. Once you've manifested, once you've poured the water, you're just going to close your manifestation, that whole triangle, with this belief that the earth, the moon and the sun is bringing it into reality. So that is what you're going to imagine. Above has to be the earth, the top has to be the earth, then can be moon, sun. Sun here, moon here, doesn't matter. But basically what you're going to imagine is a triangle. This basically a shape of a triangle. This way, a shape of a triangle while closing eyes. Here is the earth, here is the moon or the sun, and then whatever rest is. So if you've imagined moon here, then the sun is here, and vice versa. Just close your eyes, imagine that triangle in front of you, a big triangle in front of you, and here is the desire. The in between all three of that is your desire. 20% hike, the amount is seen. You've closed this cycle of life with the elements of nature, and you've already poured this, dissolved it in the ground, which is the mother earth. You've already dissolved that. So you've sent your energy to the mother earth, you've sent this triangle energy to earth, you've sent this energy to moon and to the sun. Earth, which is in the ground, the whole earth planet is what you're imagining, and also to the sun and to the moon is how you've sent the energy. So that's how you're going to close the whole cycle of manifestation, with the triangle, with pouring the water, with imagining your desire. Once everything is finished, nothing, you just need to surrender, nothing else you need to do. One more tip from my end would be, you can always use pyrite. This is the crystal, this is the purest form of crystal to bring good luck, to bring abundance, to bring success into your life. Either in the bracelet form or the raw stone form. Even the small piece of it is going to bring wonders. Every night you can keep the pyrite under your pillow and you can sleep. You can hold the pyrite and you can meditate. If you have pyrite, the best thing that you can do is keep the pyrite in your left hand, close your hand, imagine a triangle in front of you, a big triangle in front of you. The earth, the picture of the image of the earth on the top of the triangle, the moon this side. Just imagine the moon in one corner and just imagine the sun in one corner. And you've had this holding in your hand, and you're imagining your desire in between the triangle. All the forces of nature, the earth, the sun, the moon, is sending white light to your desire, sending that positivity, sending that support, sending that vibration, and holding this pyrite in hand will amplify your energy, your positivity, your mindset, and your belief as well. It will actually bring that into reality. The triangle along with the pyrite holding in the hand. If you don't have pyrite, it's fine. You can buy one, or you can just do the triangle imagination the way I just mentioned. Once you do this, the water is already done, the chit is already done, the triangle is done, the pyrite is done. That's all. You just need to surrender. This water, pouring the water in the plants is so powerful. This has literally 99% of my manifestation has come true because of this water activity. Sugar water activity, to be precise. And the triangle, after finishing that, closing the nature, with the forces of nature. Don't forget the triangle because it's more important, because you're going to close that activity with that energy, with that force of nature. Once you finish that, come back again to the video. Tell me how your experience was. Any doubt, you can WhatsApp me. You can leave the comment below so that other people can also see and get more clarity. Also, I personally teach for any desire of yours, be it career, money, relationship, health, literally anything that you want to manifest into your reality. Any spiritual programs you want, emotional balance, you want to learn anything from me, or take tarot session to get more clarity and insights about your upcoming days, you can book the session, you can WhatsApp me. It will really change your life in every possible way. Thank you for watching. I'm going to come with more such videos, so stay tuned and subscribe my channel.